Welcome back to Upgrade My Kitchen. Today, we're showcasing the Mueller Pro-Series 10-in-1 vegetable chopper, an all-in-one kitchen essential designed to simplify meal prep and add efficiency to your cooking routine. Let's dive into why this tool has been a favorite in both professional kitchens and home setups since 2013. Key features. This compact chopper is built for durability with its stainless steel, rust-resistant blades offering ultimate versatility. It includes 8 interchangeable blades for chopping, slicing, dicing, julienning, grating, and more, making it perfect for prepping a variety of ingredients from onions and peppers to potatoes and eggs. The compact design not only saves space, but comes with a secure food holder that keeps your fingers safe and your ingredients stable. Plus, the attached container helps reduce kitchen mess and makes transferring chopped veggies straightforward. Ease of use and cleaning meal prep becomes a breeze as this tool drastically reduces the time needed to chop and slice, allowing you to enjoy quick and healthy meals without the fuss. The Mueller chopper is also dishwasher safe, so you can pop it into the machine after use, or simply use the included scrubbing fork for a quick manual clean. Customer insights. Customers love its sharp blades, which make it easy to chop various vegetables with minimal effort. Reviewers note that while it's sturdy and cuts easily, it may require some strength for harder vegetables. But for most users, the convenience far outweighs any effort needed. Conclusion. Whether you're prepping a salad, dicing onions for a stir-fry, or slicing potatoes for fries, the Mueller Pro-Series 10-in-1 vegetable chopper is a versatile addition that saves you time and enhances your cooking efficiency. Thanks for watching this review. As you saw on the thumbnail, the product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded it. However, discounts can change quickly, so make sure to check the description below for the latest offers and deals. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to Upgrade My Kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.